How to use Aldi's coupon on Instacart. To use the coupon or promo code for Aldi on Instacart, you can apply them either through your account settings or directly during a checkout process. First thing, if you want to do it during or you just want to make sure to do it beforehand, then the first thing, open your Instacart app onto your device, tap the profile at the very top right hand side corner of the screen. There you go. And here you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for gift card or a redeem. You will be able to find it at the very top, credit promos and gift cards. Simply tap open that up. Now here you have to enter in your code exactly as provided and simply go ahead and tap on redeem, and that's going to be saved onto your device, and whenever you're checking out you could go ahead and use that particular code and get a certain amount of discount. And if you want to do it at the checkout, you just want to make sure to add item to your bag first thing, or the cart, and once you've added the item you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the payment method. So just simply gonna add an item, just randomly I'm gonna add it. Once I've added it to my bag, I'm just gonna go ahead and select view bag, and there you have these items. So simply tap onto the checkout button, and as a payment field you will be able to find a gift card there as well. You just want to make sure to type in your code, and that's how you will be able to redeem it as well. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.